Mama boy, she's mama boy. Mama boy, mama boys, mama boys.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I'm here with Chef Junior. Leo kametoka shule kakanipata hapa kwa parking. Kakaniambia ati leo I have to buy him a burger. Amekataa kula spinach na ugali. The good thing of being the last born. Alafu na feel guilty because I've been so busy with work. Nikafall kwa trap yake. Mom? How many moms fall into these traps now watoto wao? Sit there in the middle. We can't see you.
Can I have chicken nuggets?
Okay. Imagine, umekuwa vipi? How is your... it's been long. I think we have not put a video like for 2 weeks. Okay. We have been so busy.
Yep. No, we're busy.
You know, we have been so busy, but we thank God. Sit there in the middle.
Yeah. I've been so busy.
So how has been Nini? How have you been doing?
Good, but
How is school?
busy.
Huh?
School was busy.
School was busy? Busy with what?
We went to the library. We do our country thing from Ghana.
Oh, yeah, you have that international thing coming up in school.
And how many weeks?
I think we have like 3 more weeks. So you're doing a project about which country in Africa? Which country in Africa?
Ghana.
Oh, you're doing about Ghana? That's interesting. I want to learn about Ghana too. I know nothing about Ghana.
Mom, can you do fufu?
Fufu? Yeah, fufu is food for which country? For Nigerians. Ghana eat fufu? Oh, okay. So, are we gonna cook food? Hey, Jesus Christ, I'm done.
You come too.
Yeah, I'm gonna come. And how do Ghanaians wear? We need to check out they wear so that we wear. So that you dress up like them.
They wear like Kenya.
Like Kenya, yeah, but they have their attire, so we have to Google the attire we see. I don't have any of Ghanaians friends. So you are cooking fufu? What? Guy. Oh yeah, fufu is like it's like ugali. But now I think it's from cassava or something, and as our ugali it's from corn. So what else, baby? I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. You're doing this great in school.
They eat fish.
Yeah, Ghanaians eat fish, fried fish. So tunaenda McDonald's. Mimi nakwambia mtoto.
Getting a chicken nuggets.
No, we agreed it's only fries.
Just so I can get chicken nuggets.
And chicken nuggets. Okay. Aguna Jojo umenisumbua sana.
Remember the shortcut? Remember the shortcut?
The shortcut, yeah, but unajua umenisumbua.
Yeah.
You have really disturbed me today, Haki.
Wait, my friend said
Ati friend, which friend?
Mom. You have to put that hard. Mom, you have
Do you got this?
Mom, I do have friends.
I'm not mean, but nataka kujua upande yako gani naishi hapo.
My friend's house is like around the corner. I want to see him.
You go the same school? You go the same school? Oh, we need to come to the park one of these days. The weather is so good.
His house? Right.
You push back this and buckle up. Na kama tutaendelea na Julia ati friend.
Mom, you don't have to leave our house again.
I'm not harsh on you, but mimi nacheka tu kiniambia at your friend. And me, I've never seen any of your friend who is our neighbor.
You're too mean to me.
I don't mean, I love you. You're the one who is mean on me. Like you just look for all the solution just to get me out of the house. And then you even tell me, oh mommy, I come home, I find you sleeping.
Yeah, that's true.
But Junior, I sleep because I'm from work. I'm from doing overnight. While you are sleeping the whole night in your cozy bed, mommy is at work looking for money.
When I'm at school, you sleep in your cozy bed too.
No. When you're in school, I do morning shift. I work 9 to 3.
And then we get out of school for 8 hours. And you stay at work.
Yes, because I have to look for money for you. Like now you say you want a chicken nugget. You don't want to eat ugali and spinach. So if I'm not working, where am I gonna get the money? Can you buckle up, please?
You just take a rest day.
Oh, imagine. You see how these kids, they don't appreciate.
No, I do. I just said take a rest.
These kids can make you go into stress. But you are like, mommy, each time I come home, I find you sleeping. It's like I'm lazy.
I feel like
That's how I felt.
No, you're not lazy. You already know that.
Yeah, I already know that I'm not lazy, but the way you told me, that's how you made me feel like.
I know.
Like I just love sleeping.
You're tired when you come to work. But you just do that at night.
Because I'm tired, Baba. I didn't sleep at night, so I have to sleep. Look now, you took my time to sleep. I'm here driving on the street to go to Burger King.
Not Burger King, McDonald's.
McDonald's. Hey, my baby. But we thank God. He's a faithful God. And do you remember to pray? You pray? Yeah, you always have to remember to pray. And praying doesn't mean that you have to be in the house. You can pray anywhere. You can be at school. You just tell God, bless me. You're in the bus. You just tell God, I dedicate this day into your hands. God, I pray for you to bless me, for you to bless my friends, for you to cover me with the blood of our Lord Jesus Christ, Yeah, and God is gonna always. You want Burger King? And you know what? God is always gonna be. We serve a living God. There we go. We're going to McDonald's. So actually, we live 2 minutes away from McDonald's. One day, Junior, tunafaa tutembee McDonald's. I really love the relationship that you have with God. It is very important. And God is not gonna ever leave you.
Yeah.
God will always bless you and protect you from harm. Sindio?
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel tired. Aki nakwambia katoto leo kamenionyesha vituko. Unataka kukula nini? Unataka kukula nini?
What I eat?
What do you want to eat? Wacha kunifotolea mamacho hivi nikaa najua nini unataka kukula.
Like I said.
Fries and chicken nuggets? Cool. I think I'm gonna have McFlurry. We're not buying anything for your brothers. Should we buy anything for them? I did the
Once we pay for something.
We're not gonna get anything for them. So just water?
Not today. We're not gonna get up anything.
Yeah, we're not getting anything for them. Because they didn't follow us. So we're gonna be doing drive-through, chicken nuggets and fries. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Where? Sasa tunakwambia tushafika. After kupewa pressure yote, here I am. I have to order.
Just so you know, we have no soda time. Would you like anything different?
Yeah, I want to order chicken nuggets and fries.
What size nuggets? What size fries?
Large.
So a large fry and what size nugget?
20.
And
4, 6, 10, 20, 40.
how much?
4, 6, 10, 20, 40.
40.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you. So that's how you do order. So unafanya nini? At least now, I imagine I cannot even sleep. Do you have homework today?
No.
How come nowadays you're not getting homework? I need to start getting work for you, work to do.
What?
I need to start creating work for you.
Mom, go.
No, I'm waiting for my change.
Huh?
I'm waiting for the change. I need to start creating work for you. Sindio?
Sindio.
Yeah. Ebu sema sindio.
Sindio.
What does sindio mean?
Okay.
What is going on? They're taking forever. Thank you. And your uniform is so dirty.
No.
Your trouser, I don't know how you make your trouser dirty. It is. You know I love you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ndio naga katoto. I'm so super tired. So tell people to subscribe, the new member to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
The new one, subscribe.
The people who have not subscribed, right?
The people. There's only 20 people subscribing. So, hit
Actually,
the
they are
like button
20.
in the face. Hit the like button in the face.
And Junior removed his tooth last Saturday. Where? Nakwambia ilikuwa vita. Thank you. Junior kutoa nini ilikuwa vita. Thank you. Lakini then chicken nuggets, you're gonna share with Tyrone?
Okay.
Sindio? Imagine venye nilikuwa nimejifanya strict aki Junior. Na nakwambia hii nini hakuna. I'm not buying any food again. That's enough for this week. Sindio? The weather is so nice. We need to start going for a walk. The weather. Who is them?
The McDonald's people.